Benefits of Microsoft Power BI certification. Power BI certification. Exploring the valuable insights, recognition, and career growth that await those who embark on this transformative learning journey. Microsoft Power BI has emerged as a frontrunner in the realm of business intelligence. Enhanced data visualization skills. Microsoft Power BI certification stands as a beacon for professionals seeking to elevate their data visualization proficiency. Career advancement opportunities, powering your professional growth. Earning a Microsoft Power BI certification is more than a validation of skills. It's a catalyst for unlocking new dimensions in one's professional journey. Industry recognition and credibility, establishing your data authority. Microsoft Power BI certification is not merely a credential. It serves as a powerful testament to one's expertise in the field of data analytics. Business intelligence excellence, driving organizational impact. Microsoft Power BI certification is not just an individual accomplishment. It's a catalyst for fostering business intelligence excellence within organizations. Continuous learning and community engagement, the Power BI Network. Microsoft Power BI fosters a culture of continuous learning and community engagement. Conclusion. Benefits of Microsoft Power BI certification. To a close, the breadth of advantages and transformative potentials explored is a testament to the profound impact this certification can have on professionals in the realm of data analytics. The Microsoft Power BI certification emerges not only as a mark of proficiency but as a key to unlocking doors to new career horizons and contributing to organizational success.